got the lid on, and like I said, it's 11/7, so in 21 days, 21-ish days, we should be having baby chicks if there were any fertile in there. And then in about another week, I'm thinking, the broody hen outside that's got the 4 eggs that she's got underneath that I brought from my mom's. I brought 5, but she kicked one out. So she's got 4 underneath of her. Those should be hatching pretty soon too, within a week or so, if I calculated it right. But we're going to let this heat up, get to about 100 degrees, and then we're going to try to regulate it to that. I've got water in there for humidity. It's got, I know it did. Where's my other red dot at? I don't need that open. Goodness sakes, where's it at? Oh no, I lost it. I'm like looking, and there it is. Okay, so I gotta put this back in there. Those you pull out once babies start hatching. The dog barks at absolutely nothing. Nobody's here. Shut up. You don't even know what you're barking at. Okay, so that is what I'm doing today. So we got a lot going on here on the farm. New Zealand doe. I have her in this because I don't have my big 36 by 30 cages built, but I do have the fencing, so this will build 2. This is for the bottom and the sides to keep baby savers. And then I think that this side that I actually have her in is the side I'm going to do my feed outs in, which is a 30 by 24. So this side kit that's on here is actually for a 30-30, which will go on the new one here, and I'll have to buy a new 24 for this. And then I have to get this style for this pen, so then I can get her put up on one of these sides and then her put up on the other side. And stupid Prince is out again. My husband's on his way, so he's going to help me put him away. The sun's going down. We're like 4 something. I need to go get dinner started, and we will see everybody tomorrow. So till next time, God bless. So welcome back, everybody. We're going to be taking the second cut and alfalfa bale out to the boys. Maybe that'll keep Prince from getting out. I don't know. He's only getting out because of Odessa's and heat. And Odessa's my old 13-year-old doe that I'm not planning to breed at all anymore. She's retired. But she says, "Nope, Mom, I want to be bred." And I'm saying, "Nope, girl, you can't." So we're going to come up here and try to get this gate open so my husband can get in there partially to get a bale in. It's getting dark quick. Get back! We got, they're coming
cut it before I took it in.
Well, then just leave it right there and then set it down so they can't get out.
I don't know why you had it open yet. I didn't tell you to open it.
Well, I'm sorry.
It's easier to fucking do it this way.
My fault, my fault, my fault, my fault. Too much in a hurry. So my husband said, "Are you sure you don't want to put a bale out?" I said, "Well, if we got time, we can," because they ate quite a bit of their bale up. Man, if this phone would focus, I don't know what its deal is. Come on, focus already. Maybe that's better, I don't know. Yep, she's got a new home, and then right there is Faith, and then wherever Clarissa's at, I think she's over there, right there. I think that's her. Quit eating the... What are you doing? You're eating string. Do you not... Can you not tell that? Go ahead and eat the string. Willow. Hi, Willow. So I just got to remember that he wants to cut the bale first before bringing it in, and that's how he can, it's easier for him to do it that way. So I'll be down 3 goats probably by next month. I'm hoping that her person could get her paid off, because I was hoping to pick those Maine Coons up, my breeding pair that I'm getting, by Thanksgiving, but I don't think that's gonna happen now. Ariel, what are you doing, girl? Odessa, you're not supposed to be flirting with the boys. You're too old. You're not having no more babies. No more babies. Ariel Jr., Aurora. Winnie, what are you hollering about? Athena. Willow. Faith. Ariel's flirting with the boys, it looks like. There's some more of the goats. Cow went down there, it looks like, trying to eat what's left. There's Hope. Jasmine's down there. That is Clarissa down by Cow. Mother-daughter. Now, the thing is going to try to get this in here because I can't remember if I have to open the gate in. Why do you keep trying to eat the dang string? We've got 2 loads of wood to take this weekend to deliver to a customer. And then man, it's getting dark. I can't even see my husband down there. I think he might be coming now. Well, this makes it look a lot. Now I'm looking through my phone. It looks like it's daylight out, but it's not. But we're gonna get a bale out to them, so I'm gonna wait for him to get up here and then probably do a little videoing tomorrow to end this video, since it wants to focus in and out on me. Yeah, a little video, Mom. I need to just turn it up. I had to turn it down because it was like at 110 this morning, so I'll turn it up just a little bit. And our humidity is up quite a bit because the temperature is down a little bit, so I got to get it back up to almost 102. So I just turned it up a little bit. And then there's the eggs in there. I already turned them today. There's all your Banamines up there. It is November 8th. I checked her kits, and I thought when I originally counted them she had 8, but she's got 7 really big, nice, healthy babies in there. And she's due next Wednesday, so I went ahead and put her nesting box in there. I put a floor in it, drilled holes in the wood, and little Miss Princess over there. Where she's pulling. Anyways, I've cut out the dimensions and the floor with Baby Saver to come up and around the cages. For this one right here, I went to Family Farm and Home, bought the rabbit hutch frame kit, which is aluminum, and it will go on this one right here above her. So it'll go right here, attach to that one. And I bought 2 pans. I'm going to get that together, get it up here, and then move her up here. The only thing I don't have are my latches, and my latches that I ordered are like these little finger latches. I don't mind them. But then I'm going to get the other cage cut out in the bottom to be able to get this one up so she can be put up there, and then I'll take that side kit off that to put it on this one, because that technically goes to a 30, not a 24, because that's a 24 wide. And then my 2 does will be up here. But I'm not going to bore you guys with me putting this together or cutting it up or anything like that. I'll just show you this. Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to show you the babies. Like I said, she's got 7 as of yesterday in here. And she's doing a wonderful job. Oh, there's a low one right there. I almost smooshed him. This one's like, don't pick me up. So it's got a little bit of white on it. You can see underneath. Just a Sorry, I was kind of trying to show. Another one with a little bit of white on it. And then another one with a little bit of white. White paws. That one looks to be almost all black, but it's a little white nose. Oh, oh, oh. We got jumpers. And there's a little one right there. And they're jumping. Oh, I dropped him. Right on top of his brothers and sisters. Right here. But yeah, 7 really healthy babies. And there's my 3rd cage, but I gotta pull the bolts and washers out to be able to hook this one to that one. So I gotta pull this whole cage out, which I'm gonna do and try to get that up. And then I need to cut my door out and put my little J-clips on it, and then I'm just gonna fasten it so I can move her up into that one. So then I can get this one built and do the same thing, put her up in that one. So stay tuned. So I got this put in there. I got my door put on. I'm just waiting for my latches to come in. And then my husband's got to try to take that bolt out so I can try to fix this and get that on there correctly. And then get this set back up, get the other bolt put down here. And then I've got these all need to be cleaned out this weekend, which, you know, that'll be great. And then she right there will be put up there. And then I got my other fence all cut out for my cage. These are my 2 sides, my top and my front and back. And then I'm still just going to go ahead and cut my door out, because I'm going to cut the door the same as I had that one. So then I can have that. And I still got to cut the floor out, which I'll do that later, because I'm getting a little hungry, so I'm going to go in and have me some lunch. But I thought we'd walk out and look at the goats, since they haven't been on video for a little while. And I'm going to end this video today. Look at them. Girls, it's just me. It's just me. What you running for? Huh? Look at all your big bellies. Come here. You gonna come here and say hi? Come on. Aw, Winnie, you coming to see Mama? And Clarissa? Hi, Winnie. What you doing? What's her doing? Hi. Hi, sweetie. What you doing? Huh? Athena? Boy, you got a nice big belly on you, girl. Yes, you do. Got a nice big belly on you. Hi, honey. What you doing? Anybody else gonna come see me? Hi. Aurora. Shoot, girl, you're looking big too. So we got babies growing in the bellies, huh? Hi, Athena. Ow, Athena, that hurt. Hi, Aurora. What you doing, baby girl? Hmm? You look just like your mama. Clarissa. Hi, Hope. What you doing, Jasmine? I see you up there, girly. The sweet girls. Yes, you are. The sweet girls. Sweet girls. See, there's not hardly any of them eating right now. Let's go up around here. See everybody else. Oh. Hope looks low. Oh my goodness, she is low. There's Faith and Ariel. Jasmine, Hope. Got my 3 still with me. Hi ladies, what you doing? What you doing? Hi Hope. Hi Jasmine. Hi Hope. Jasmine. That's my pulled girl right there. She's my pulled girl. Yeah, all my Frenchers. All of them are right here. All my Frenchers. Hi Cal. Is this your daughter? She's a French. She's a French, but you know, she's no good. And then Ariel's daughter, Willow's on the other side, who's a French too. What is your paw doing up there? Are you shaking? Huh, Winnie? This is Willow's daughter, a granddaughter of Ariel. Hi. This is a daughter of Ariel and Lancelot. This is a Prince daughter. That's a Lancelot daughter because these two are twins. This is a Lancelot daughter. She is a Country Winds. Huh. From another farm. And then she was an AI'd baby, I believe. But she came out pulled. Cow! Can I see how big your belly is? I went to see bellies. Baby side. She's pretty low. Baby side. Right there. Oh, cow. Let's see. You got any? Ariel. You got a little low belly there going on, Ariel. Or Cal, I mean. Sorry. Hi, Mama. Yes, she's my American. She's going to be bred 1 more year to Mr. Where's he at? He's somewhere. I don't know. Mr. Oh, there he is. Aladdin down there. I couldn't think of who he was. And hopefully I can get a daughter, and then that daughter out of her will be kept, and then she's going to be retired just only for milking. This girl will milk as long as I'm milking her. She's going to be bred 1 more year, too. She's going to be bred back to Zeus, that buck right there, because I'm hoping to get a daughter like Willow. Or, you know, because I want some more Zeus Ariel daughters in my herd. And then she's going to retire. It might be, everybody might be thinking that this is young, but she'll be, I think she'll be 8. And she's given me lots of kids. She'll be, let's see, she'll be 7 by the time she kids, and she'll be 8 by the time she kids with those kids that I'm hoping for. I bred her till she was 13. I mean, she turned 13 this year, and she gave me 2 buck kids. I was hoping for a daughter out of Zeus and her, which would have been great, but I got a buck kid. So that's what I'm hoping to cross with Cal here and get a daughter, so I can keep her in the herd. And she'll be the only American in the herd, because he's registered as American, but even though he's French, she's technically a French, but registered as American. So with all that blabber going on, I'm going to go inside and get me something to eat, and then come back out. I don't have many J-clips left, but I did order some, so they're on their way too, and I believe all that stuff's supposed to be here tomorrow. I got to get the bottom of my nesting box stapled in, and then that's got to go in there to the bottom big doe next week. And then on the 24th or 5th of this month, I'll be breeding 3 does for Christmas kits. And then everybody will have babies this year. All 6 of my does. So thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all our new subscribers. And we'll see everybody tomorrow. Till next time. God bless.